Alright guys, today I'm here to show you how to charge a puff bar. So get your pliers, get the bottom of your puff bar plus empty, right? Get a good grip on it and just like lightly pull it out like that. Take off these. Okay, you see these little stickies? And then inside here will look like this, right? So you see these metal parts right here. These metal parts right here. Get your scissors, cut off the yellow plastic on top. Take off this plastic here. Okay, when you have it exposed, get any cables you want, okay? Just hold red to red right here, black to black right here. You can either use to get these wires out like this. You can use a pair of scissors and lightly go around it, go around the wires. Or you can just go ahead and use, professional tools like wire cutters, okay? Just hold them over the terminals, the metal pieces on each side, and it's charging, and you get a result like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.